Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today we're looking into how to trade gold with USDT Tether on BingX. Even if you're a crypto enthusiast, trading gold is a great way to diversify your portfolio. Let's get started. Now you might be wondering, why trade gold when I'm already focused on Bitcoin? Well, in 2024, gold has surged by an impressive 31.4%, making it the second best performing asset, only behind Bitcoin. Gold has even outperformed major assets like the SPY, QQQ, and other commodities. Since November 2023, it's been on an unstoppable uptrend, gaining over 42% and hitting new all-time highs this October. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more trading tutorials and market updates. On BingX, you can easily trade gold with USDT. First, let's head to the trading section. You'll find gold under the Derivatives tab, then click Standard Futures and go to the Commodities sub-tab. Here you'll see gold listed. Click on it to begin trading gold with USDT. Once you're on the gold USDT trading page, you'll see two margin options in the top right corner, cross margin and isolated margin. Let me quickly explain the difference between these two. In cross margin mode, your position can utilize the available balance in your account to avoid liquidation. However, if liquidation occurs, you lose your entire balance. This is useful if you're looking to protect against volatility, but also carries more risk. On the other hand, isolated margin mode allocates a specific margin for each position, and your maximum loss is limited to the margin of that position. This is a safer choice if you want to control your risk more tightly. Below that, you'll see two main buttons. Long if you think the price will go up, or short if you expect the price to drop. Next, you have two order types, market and trigger. If you want to execute your trade immediately at the current market price, choose the market option. Here you simply enter the size of your trade in USDT and confirm your order. If you want to enter a trade at a specific price later, select the trigger option. You'll see two fields, one for your trigger price in USD and the other for the trade size, or margin in USDT. Once the market hits your trigger price, the order will execute as a market order. At the bottom, you'll always see how much USDT you have available for trading. If you need to add more funds to your standard futures account, you can easily transfer USDT from your other accounts within BingX using the transfer button right here. Now let's talk about leverage. BingX allows you to customize your leverage for gold trades. The default options range from 5x up to 200x. Or you can set a custom leverage level based on your trading strategy. Be careful with higher leverage, as it can increase both your potential gains and your risk. Below that is the take profit slider. If you enable this, you can set a target percentage or a specific USDT amount where your position will automatically close in profit. This is useful for locking in gains before market volatility kicks in. For example, if you enter a 50% target, your position will close when the market price reaches a specific level, based on your entry. Remember, the actual filled price and profit can vary slightly depending on market conditions. The same goes for the stop loss option. Finally, once you've set your trade details, you'll see the confirmation button at the bottom. If you're going long, it will say long bullish, and if you're shorting, it will say short bearish. Click the button to execute your trade, and that's it. Your trade is live. You can monitor it and adjust as needed from the Open Positions tab. Don't forget to manage your leverage and keep an eye on the market for any significant movements. And there you have it. Trading gold with USDT on BingX is a great way to diversify your portfolio, especially with gold's remarkable gains this year. If you've already been riding Bitcoin's wave, now's the time to take a look at gold. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to start trading today. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And see you in the next one.